Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the handheld programming tool, the LogiFire 41CPE118. This handy device is essential for assigning addresses to all the devices connected in your loop. Let's dive in. The 41CPE118 programmer is the instrument used to assign addresses to detectors, modules, manual call points, and audible visual devices. It can read and write addresses and set the parameters of the detectors and modules, making it a versatile tool for your setup. The programmer comes with a power supply of 230 volts AC, 50 Hz, and a 1.5 to 12 volts DC at 500 milliamps, 6 volt amps max. It can also be powered by 4 1.5 volt AA batteries, giving you flexibility in various working environments. You can directly connect detectors and audio-visual alarm devices to the base of the upper part of the programmer for easy addressing. For modules and manual call points, use the supplied USB cable for connection and addressing. The available options on the programmer include setting an address, reading an address, reading parameters for day and night modes, resetting to factory default address. And that's how you use the LogiFire 41CPE118 handheld programming tool. Thanks for watching and happy programming.